the rectangle EFGH below is made out of 8 identical squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what is the ratio of the area of the shaded part to the area of the unshaded part? Okay, a lot of students, right, they get stuck on this question because they cannot visualize it well. So I'm going to draw it out for you all again to help you all to visualize it better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw 8 squares. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for this one, it is actually like this. Whoops. Then like that. Then like this. Then like that. And this is the shaded portion. Now, why do I want to draw such a lousy drawing over here? Is because I want to help you to shift the shapes around. This portion, the one that I double shaded, this portion can actually be shifted to here. Here, this one. It can be shifted. Because if you realize, this one is 1 unit, this one is 4 unit, and then there's a diagonal, right? This is a diagonal. So this diagonal will cut this middle line exactly into 2. Which means that this height is the same as this height. And since these two heights are the same, right, and the length is the same, I can just shift this one over. And once I've shifted this one over, right, what am I looking at? I'm just looking at this entire triangle, which will make our job a lot easier. Okay, so if I were to redraw it, oh my god, you need to pardon my drawing. My freehand is not fantastic. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. After I've shifted from here to here, right, what I'm looking at is actually a triangle that looks like this. Now, once I have this, it will be a lot easier, okay? Because I can simply cut each square into 2 triangles, okay? Like that. I'm going to cut it all like this. Then I can start counting how many triangles are shaded, how many triangles are not shaded. So it will be easy. This one is what is the ratio of the shaded part to the area of the unshaded part. Show the shaded over unshaded. How many shaded triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. So we have 4. How many unshaded triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 4 over 12. And if you simplify it, it will give me 1 over 3. And therefore my answer is 1:3. So for questions like this, a lot of students, they are stuck because they do not know how to shift the areas around. This requires a lot of visualization skills. You need to learn how to visualize it. Which is why there's a lot of videos that I do previously, right? Which is a lot on visualizing and shifting around areas. Okay, do not get too stressed out if you cannot shift complicated figures like this. You can go back to my previous videos where you see shifting of areas, and then you can just learn the easier ones first. Once you have learned the easier one first, then move on to the more difficult portion. Do not just go ahead and start jumping into this if you are not very confident. Your confidence level will go down, your self-esteem will go down, and your result will go down as well. Okay, do not do such cruel things to yourself. So while parents are watching this, if your kids are unable to do the visualization portion, right, just go back to my previous video, whereas in the case where I will teach them how to shift the areas around. Okay, done.